Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to delete a conversation on Discord. Whether it's a DM you no longer need or a chat you want to clean up, here's how it works. First off, Discord doesn't let you completely delete entire DM conversations like some messaging apps, but you can close them and delete individual messages. Let me show you both. Let's start with closing a DM.open Discord, and on the left-hand sidebar, find the DM conversation you want to get rid of. Right-click on the user's name, and then click Close DM. This won't delete the chat permanently, but it removes it from your sidebar. If the person messages you again, or you search for them, the conversation will come back. Now, if you want to delete specific messages in the DM, just hover over the message, click on the three dots next to it, and select Delete Message. Confirm it by clicking Delete again, and it's gone, on your side at least. Remember, you can only delete messages you sent. You can't remove messages that the other person sent. If you're in a server, the same process works. Hover over your message, click the three dots, and delete it. And that's how you manage and delete messages on Discord. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more Discord tips, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.